everyone, I am Priyanka and our team code is E1902 and we are from BVRIT College. So let me ask you some questions. Have anyone of you faced the problem of allergies and asthma? Has anyone of your loved ones faced the problem of skin cancer and heart stroke? And I know most of us see and face these type of problems in our daily life. What do you think the main reason behind all these problems? One and only reason is pollution. So, why is this pollution is increasing day by day? The reason behind it is the lack of awareness in the people about what all the stuff they are using, by which the environment as well as their health is getting worse day by day. So, if we create this awareness in people, about what, by which they can take some preventive measures like plantation and reduce the usage of the devices which emit the more percentage of toxic gases, then the pollution can be reduced up to some extent. So, for creating this awareness in people, we have developed a device that is UV2.
Hi, I'm Sham. Now, what is UV2? UV2 is UV rays and toxic gas detection. It detects the percentage of toxic gases present around us and also how UV rays are affecting us. Now the question is, to whom it is useful? It is useful to all the people who work outside, who work indoors, who live outdoors, and also the farmers. Farmers get affected by usage of fertilizers because they get exposed to gas and ammonia. It is a severe damage to their health. And now the main question is, what problem does our UV2 solve? Do you know, according to recent studies, 73% of cause of heart disease is due to air pollution. Now, why that is happening? Because many people are not aware that they are getting affected. Now, what we are trying to do, we are trying to make them aware of how they are getting affected. And do you know, because of UV rays, they get sunburn, they get skin diseases, many people die because of it. Why this is happening? Because they are not aware. Now we develop our product to make people aware that how they are getting affected. This is an IoT based device and this is our product, you.
Hello all, I am Sandesh. I will be continuing with the functionality of our product UV2. And firstly, UV2 is all about the detection of UV level and the toxic gases present around us. And you can have a look into our product UV2. And you can see two sensors in 2 ears and 1 near the neck. And each sensor does its own respective functionality, and these sensors keep sensing the data. And the data stores into the cloud, where we can do data analytics on environment parameters. You can have a look into how data is storing into the cloud. And you can see field 1, field 2, field 3, where in the field 1 carbon monoxide and the field 2 air quality and the field 3 UV level. And if there is any increase in the percentage of toxic gases, it sends a text message. And for example, we will have a look into the field 2 air quality. Here you can have a look into the field 2. You can have a statistics of air quality. And in the few seconds ago, it has been reduced the value. So now we should get a message. Let's see if we get a message or not. And here we are using the Gmail for the alerting a person. Let's see if we get or not. Oh, here it is. You can see mail from AirQ that open your window that you are living surrounded with a toxic gases of around 30%. So even we too are in a harmful gases. So we need to rush away. Okay. And this is all about our product UV2. Thank you, and UV2 for better work, for better change. Thank you.